क्लास 12 द ईयर जब सब कोई आके तुमको बोलता है कि ओ माय गॉड दिस पेपर विल डिसाइड योर फ्यूचर, राइट, व्हिच काइंड इज ट्रू, बट इट डज फील ओवरवेलमिंग समटाइम्स एंड यू गाइस नो अबाउट इट इवन दो. आई जस्ट विश कि क्लास 12 स्टार्ट होने से पहले मैं ये 5 चीज अगर खुद को बता देती ना, देन इट वुड बी अ वेरी गुड स्टार्ट. बिकॉज as I am in the journey, now I understood that what these 5 things are. I really wish कि someone would have come to me and told these things to me, but anyways, never mind. But honestly, these are the 5 things which I want to tell to myself. The first thing is, studying 10 hours a day is nothing if you're distracted. This is the harsh truth. तुम 10-10 घंटे पढ़ाई कर रहे हो एक दिन में. Does not matter अगर तुम constantly scroll कर रहे हो या you're pretending that you're studying and whatsoever, तुम जाके chats पढ़ रहे हो and all of it. It does not really matter because trust me, I thought कि 10-10 घंटे ही पढ़ते हैं and that is how the boards work, right? But this is not class 10, this is class 12. तुम पहले 2 घंटे you're like yeah totally motivated, you're studying and after that 2 घंटा जब तुम सोचते हो कि अरे थोड़ा सा ब्रेक ले लेते हैं क्या ही हो जाएगा, तभी बहुत कुछ हो जाता है. 4 hours you're distracted, you're doom scrolling through your phone, because I have been through it and I really wanted कि someone would have told me this so that I could have just waited. मैं इतना स्ट्रेस नहीं लेके I could have just studied for 2 to 3 hours maximum, but consistently with full laser focus. That would have been more like a practical solution to me. And the second thing which I just got to know about is that do not ignore NCERT. Because I have been following so many creators who are currently in class 12 and they have given their boards and उनको बहुत अच्छे margin से they have passed, and all of them, like most of them told कि do not ignore NCERT. बिकॉज पहले हमको लगता है कि अभी बहुत कोचिंग क्लासेस करेंगे, विल गो टू ट्यूशन, ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे हम पढ़ाई करते हैं ऑल, कि अगर वो एक वन शॉट देख लेंगे देन एवरीथिंग इज सेट. बट इट इज नॉट रियली सेट. यू हैव टू स्टडी योर एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक. दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. द थर्ड थिंग इज योर मेंटल हेल्थ. योर मेंटल हेल्थ अफेक्ट्स योर मार्क्स. आस्क मी दिस, अगर एक दिन भी एग्जाम बुरा गया ना, मतलब नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू माई एक्सपेक्टेशन, आई क्वेश्चन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विच आई डिड. दैट स्ट्रेस पोजिशन वो मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेस कर देता है. वॉट एवर इट माइट बी दैट एग्जाम जहाँ पे मैं अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाई, और इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. सी सम डेज यू विल फील बिहाइंड एंड सम डेज यू विल फील कि तुम्हारे दोस्त तुमसे ज्यादा अच्छा प्रिपेयर करके आए हैं. And that burnout is real. I know. I must tell you that. But you must know this कि at the end you're not in a competition with your friends. You're in a competition with you. And ऐसा नहीं कि हर एक दिन तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा जाए. This is not mandatory. कि if you're scoring 20 out of 20 in this examination, then next time also you'll score 20 out of 20. You can score 19, 18, 17, 16, whatsoever. अगर तुम फेल नहीं करोगे तो तुम सीखोगे कैसे? Oh my God. And for that you are stressing yourself over and over again. That is not the solution which I'm telling you guys. Mental health तुमको और ज्यादा अफेक्ट करेगा. Because if you think that ये वाला एग्जाम मुझे अच्छा नहीं गया and I'm like यहाँ पे मैं अपना एक्सपेक्टेशन जैसे मार्क्स नहीं ला पाऊंगी, इसका मतलब नेक्स्ट वाला एग्जाम भी बुरा ही जाएगा, ऐसा this is not the thing. You need not to have that mentality कि whatever happened. I know ये बोलने में बहुत सही लग रहा है and I need to tell this to myself as well, but this is not the case. But I'm asking you कि at least stop blaming yourself. अगर तुम देखे होगे हॉस्पिटल में जब तुम्हारा हार्ट बीट मापा जाता है तो it's always like this up and down. ऐसे होगा then you will die. Understood? So it's all about ups and downs in your life. And oh God, I again sound like a guru or something. Oh my God. No, I'm not being a guru or something. Now the fourth point which I'm talking about is don't compare yourself with your friends. Just what I told you right now. Your friends are not your competition. तुमको तुम्हारे standards पता है. तुमको पता है कि what you are aiming for. Your friends, उनका अलग है. They have different goals. They have different standards. They are fighting for themselves. You need to do it for yourself. You're not in a competition with your friends. You're in a competition with yourself. Understood? That was a monologue. And fifth, and probably the most important thing, is that marks matter. Yes, of course it does. But it is not your entire personality. Marks does matter. Do your best, study harder. But your value as a person is much bigger than the percentage you receive. And everyone has different paces to study. Some people peak early. And कुछ लोगों को time लगता है. That is totally fine. That is nature. Understood? So you really don't have to be that hard on yourself कि वो लोग कर रहे हैं, then why am I not doing it? Because they are in different race and you are in different race. If you are in class 12 or just about to start class 12, let me tell you, do your best, study hardest, but do not lose yourself in that process. Stay consistent, stay healthy, and remember, you do not have to be perfect to succeed. Please be with me in this whole journey because I really need you guys to be here. Alright, so that was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you liked the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, with the same energy, love you. Bye bye.